Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in US bank account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search usbank.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this official home page. And here you can see this login portfolio. If you haven't created yourself a US bank account, then you can click on create a username and password and they will be guiding you further to create your US bank account. Now if you already have your account, then firstly you need to choose the account type. That is online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial and institutional. Now for this video we will go for online banking. Now in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your US bank account, then simply check on this box. Now if you are having trouble logging in, then here you can see this option. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. Or else you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your US bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.